So now we are just going to pour in all of the glue. So now here we have all of the glue poured in.
It's delicious.
So we poured all the shaving cream in. So now we're just going to stir the glue and shaving foam together. So now we're just going to pour the soap into the glue and shaving foam. So now we just are going to mix all of the soap in with the shaving foam and glue. So now we're just going to take our activator, which we used Tide laundry detergent, and mix that in with the slime that has already been mixed, and this will be the end. So now we are just going to begin to mix the slime together and just like knead it until it is completely ready. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and maybe you will try it out. And if you're not smiling, you're doing it wrong. Have a great day. Peace.